Namaste to all the wonderful and beautiful viewers watching my video right now. This is me Dolly, your friend, your host, and I'm here again in front of you with another beautiful, exciting candle making video. And guys, this is the tutorial number 86 on candle making on my channel. So if you haven't watched any of my candle making video yet, please do watch my other candle making videos and make your own beautiful candles at home. And in this tutorial guys, I'm going to show you how you can create beautiful wax rocks or raw chunks or whatever would you like to call it. It is up to you because the name itself is given by me, and it is a requested video and it is requested by one of my viewers. So while waiting for, let's directly head on to the tutorial section. Hey guys, so here I'm using two different type of waxes to show you the difference between the rocks. So the first I have taken is the paraffin, and this one is in my hand is the soy wax. And guys, to avoid any kind of confusion, I'm using two different varieties of pouring pitcher here. The one is aluminum pitcher, and I'm using this pitcher for paraffin wax, and the other one is steel pitcher, and I'm using this for soy wax. So remember guys, for which wax I have used which pitcher. And these are the few other things which you need to make the beautiful wax rocks. So a knife, two different kinds of spatula, and a spoon. In this video I'm going to show you 4 different colors of wax rocks. So I'm using these good quality plastic boxes, and make sure that whenever you use plastic box, it should be of good quality. And here some wax dyes I'm using, and it is up to you which color you want to use. But whenever you make these wax rocks, it is very important to make them in bright color so that it will look very beautiful when you make candle out of it. And now finally guys, it's time to melt our wax. So if you are new in candle making, please use double boiler. Otherwise, if you are melting it directly onto the flame, then please do not leave your wax unattended, and always melt your wax at low flame. So now guys, first I'll show you making wax rocks with the soy wax. And if you are wondering why my soy wax is looking slight yellow, so I just want to say that I have added a little hint of orange shade into it. So guys, the first method I'm showing you of making these beautiful wax rocks is an old school method. So to make these beautiful wax rocks, just take a tray and pour the desired amount of soy wax or paraffin wax into it, and just follow the process the way I'm showing you here. It is very easy, very simple, and very interesting. So basically guys, you have to scratch your wax from here and there, and keep mixing it like this, but remember not to press your wax, otherwise it will become a soft froth. So to make rocks, it is very important just to mix it like this with a free hand. Do not press. This is what I want to say. And in just within a minute or 2, your wax rock is ready. And now let's move on to the other way to create beautiful wax rocks. In this video, I'm showing you the method of making these beautiful wax rocks, and in my coming video, I'll show you how to make beautiful candles out of these beautiful wax rocks. So be with me guys and keep watching my other videos too. And now let's move on to the second method. So for this, I'm using this plastic box, and in this I'm pouring this beautiful melted paraffin wax. And in this paraffin wax, I'm adding this Prussian blue color. This is a wonderful color guys. It looks so wonderful. Just pinch and see how bright the color is. Here the temperature of the melted paraffin wax is around 70 degrees centigrade, and I'm taking this temperature because I have to mix this color dye into it. If the temperature is low, you cannot mix the color dye well into the wax. And in the other plastic box, I'm using this beautiful pink color, and let me show you the difference between the two. So as you have seen that in the first method, we have created beautiful wax rocks into the tray, and this is the second method in which we are creating it in plastic bowls, and this is the third process in which we are making these beautiful wax roses in the pouring pitcher itself. So I hope you remember, guys, that which wax is in this steel pouring pitcher. Yes, it is soy wax, and in this soy wax now I have finally added a good quantity of orange color into it. And now what you have to do, guys, just scrap it from the wall and mix until it will get cool down. But again, I would like to say the same thing to you all, that please remember that do not press your wax, and you have to whisk it with a very soft hand, otherwise you will just create a froth of it and not the rock. Guys, please do mention in the comment section what you think about this video, and if you like it, then please don't forget to click the like button, and if you want to subscribe my channel, please do. Thank you. And now, guys, after mixing it for a few minutes, this is the final result which we have in our hand. So here I am showing you the wax rocks which we have created using soy wax, and as you can see that these rocks are a little more brittle, and these are the wax rocks which we have created using paraffin wax, and these are more softer and more beautiful as compared to that of soy wax. So you can use any of the process I have shown in the video to make these beautiful wax rocks and create these beautiful rocks to make beautiful candle.